Over the last 12 months, I have sold an average of 3,260 t-shirts every single month, totaling over 1.2 million in sales. So in this video, I'm gonna go over the 5 steps that I used. So whether you are already selling or just getting started, you can learn how to sell 3,000 plus t-shirts each month as well. And by implementing these 5 steps into your print-on-demand store, you will save both time and money because I'm going to show you exactly where to focus your time and energy. But before we get into the 5 different steps, you're going to want to stick around till the end because the 5th step is the most important and is the one step that most people miss, which leads them to quit print-on-demand way too soon. But enough about that. Let's get into the 5 steps and get you on your way to 3,000 plus shirt sales per month. The first step is creating 100 designs in one broad niche. So why do we say 100 designs? The reason that we say you should have 100 designs prior to launching is so that you're giving your brand the best chance right out of the gate using Facebook ads. So if we are giving ads plenty of data to choose from, it's going to cycle through those 100 designs and really give us an idea of which designs are getting clicks, which designs are people actually interested in, and this can allow us to really look at that data and adapt it to better build out our collection. Now, when we say broad, how broad is too broad? Now, we don't want it to be an everything type of brand or store. We can think of this almost like a Target or a Walmart. They really carry everything. They have kitchen supplies to home goods to clothing, beauty products, etc. We really want to pick one product and focus on one product in one niche. So that niche could be yoga, it could be flowers, it could be something like this store that we've been showing, something seasonal that is changing throughout the season, just different designs, something like that. You want to pick a niche that is big enough. There's plenty of people who are interested in yoga, flowers, seasonal designs. And then from there, we want to use a mix of design styles. So we want to have some t-shirts or, if you're doing mugs or another product, you want those t-shirts to maybe just have text. So that would be typography, or you'd want some with a cartoon style, some with a simplistic line art style, some maybe a watercolor. So we really want a broad mix of different types of designs across one singular, pretty big niche. So how can we go about creating these designs? There are 3 different ways that you can go about designs. And the first would be creating them ourselves with Canva or Photoshop. This is probably going to be the least expensive option. The second option that we have is using AI tools to help us generate designs like Mystic AI. It's going to cost you a little bit every month. And then the most expensive and the last way that we can make our designs is actually hiring a designer off of Fiverr or Upwork to do the hard work for us. Which leads us into step number 2 of how you can start selling 3,000 plus t-shirts per month. Once you've created those 100 designs, we then need to connect them to a site like Printify so that we can sell the shirts and we don't actually need to really lift a finger. Printify will do all the hard work for us by printing, packing, and shipping our shirts. I print with Printify because they've been the most cost-effective printer. They are fast and reliable, and they have excellent customer service. So I can't recommend them enough. Now, steps 1 and 2 are the most time-consuming steps. Remember, you want to stick around for step 5 because it's the one that most people miss and then quit way too early. So if you stick around till step 5 and implement it, your chances of success increase dramatically. Now, step 3, once we've uploaded our designs to Printify, we need to connect them to a simple Shopify store like this. By no means does this site look like the most beautiful form of web creation, but it's simple, fast, and optimized for shoppers, specifically on mobile. That's a little fun fact. You definitely want to optimize any site that you're trying to do print on demand or drop shipping for mobile. Most people are on their phones. So we want this site to have a fast site speed. We want to keep things above the fold on our phone, which means we want to put the most amount of information in a single page before someone needs to scroll. And we want to make our call to action buttons the same color across every single page so that it really and truly stands out. Which leads us to step 4, which is advertising your designs. You definitely need to get people to your site. They're just not going to magically show up. I personally use Facebook ads to get people to my site. I set up a pixel, connect it to my store, and then I set up an Advantage Plus campaign that is connected to all 100 products, and I let Facebook do the hard work and test out every single design. After a few days, I can look at the analytics and see which designs are getting the best cost per link click. And we want to be looking at clicks that are getting anywhere between 55 to 75 cent link clicks and at least 4 or 5 clicks to get a good idea of what designs people actually like, as well as design styles, and that can give us ideas that we can then make more of. So we're gonna look at that data, really dive into it, look at the designs that people are clicking on, look at the color shirts that they're clicking on and are most interested in, and then from there, that's going to lead us into step 5, which is also the most important step, which is making 15 new designs based off of that winning design or the few winning designs that we have from the data to put back into ads and continue to rinse and repeat this process until you find the best selling collection. And really, that's the step that most people miss. They will make 20 designs, feel really good about them. They'll put their heart and soul into those 20 designs. They'll launch them, and they just won't see the returns. And instead of going back to the drawing board, doing more designs, trying out something new based off of the analytics that they're seeing, they quit way too soon. Print on demand really takes one great design to take you from 1 to 2 sales to hundreds of sales very quickly. Now, if you want to learn more about how I made $1.2 million in t-shirt sales over this past year alone, you're definitely going to want to check out this video here.